Discord new update is amazing, guys. Just like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying this new Discord update. Okay guys, if you don't see this new update, make sure you update your Discord. Go right click on Discord and go here check for updates. When you finish new update, you will see your Discord look like this. You will have this new bar and your channels are bigger and easy to see. You will also see up here your Discord name. Also roles are bigger and you can see them easily. Also name of your Discord are here bigger. What you think, guys? Is this update cool or not? Type me in comments. When you open your here server settings, also you will see this new server profile update. You can now set color on your banner. Scroll down here, you can also set games on your Discord. It look like this. Just type search for game and add like me. Move here on engagement, also new update here. What you think, guys? Is this new update amazing or not? Because I love it. It's easy and it's good to see. If I have any missed, just type me in comments what I don't see. That's it, guys, for this little video update. I think you love it and new Discord update. I see you in the next video and thank you for watching.